So today I'm going to show you how I have implemented the automated drip irrigation uh, when hello friends, this is my automated drip irrigation. Okay, so no human intervention needed for this automated watering system. So how I will show you. So basically, if you need drip irrigation when you are going on vacation, then automation needed because no one will be there to on and off the uh, water pipe or water line for you. So at that time, what you can do, you can have these drip irrigation systems. It get in very minimum till 1000 on Amazon or Flipkart. You can install it according to your requirement. So for demo purpose, I have installed it here. Okay. Then you will wonder how the water will get lifted. Okay. So to do that, I have used the submariner. There are the water pumps which are used for fish tanks or coolers, like to lift the water from that, because it's difficult to get all water uh, using any mug or like bucket. So these submineral pumps are very low watt, so it is used. So I have ordered that pump. It get in 200 to 300 rupees from Flipkart. So I have did the setup. Now this pipe, part of one pipe I have kept open. This is because this pump is also few watt, but it lifts water which is not required for the plants which are in the pots. But if you want to do it for the plants which are placed on directly soil or directly on the flat surface, not in the pot, then you don't need to use this. I have used to minimize the pressure because my my plants don't require that much water. Okay. Now I will show you how I have automated it. Now this submineral pump has the plug. Okay. I have placed that plug, and I didn't directly put that plug in the socket. I have used one more device. Let me show you. So friends, you can see this wire. Okay, this has come to, and I have placed in this black tea electric device. Basically this device is very good. We can use 3-pin or 2-pin plug as well. And this is whenever you want to automate anything, any electronic device which need electricity or electrical device, we can use this. So quickly I will show you. Maybe some of you might be aware about it. So this has nearly 17 setting, and we can create lot of setting out of permutation combination. So here I have given, mostly I will be away for 10 days, so I have given the alternate water setting. So on that day this plug will get automatically on, and for that, in that time, it will fetch the water and give to plant. So if you have seen here, I have given it Tuesday, okay, 18. So this is the time which we can set, and this device don't require any charging or cell. It get automatically charged whenever you plug into the socket. You must keep your switch on. Okay, and this device should be in auto mode, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so today is Saturday, 10:30. So now I will show you my settings. So this is the first setting. So I am going to start it on Tuesday, end it on Tuesday itself after 1 minute, 18.43. Then I want again watering on Thursday for 1 minute, on Monday for 1 minute, like this. Okay, so these much setting I don't require, but there are lot of settings you can use. Maybe I will show you, like there are options like you can give every day or on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, or only on weekdays, only on weekends, alternate days. So such kind of combination you can give. Okay, I'm clearing it because I don't require this. Okay, so now I will place it. It must be on. So now you can see it's a 10:39 in a clock. Okay, and I have one setting, a demo. It will be running on 10:43 for 1 minute. Okay, then let's wait for here, and I am just going to plug this device. Okay, now we'll show you. I am not going anywhere because some people will think that someone is doing this for me. So this switch is on. Let's wait.